How to import or export a contact list on System.io. How to import or export a contact list. In this video, you will learn how to import or export contact files in System.io. To get started, you will need a System.io account, an email list saved in CSV format, saving your contacts as a CSV file. Begin by converting your Excel file into CSV format. While saving, choose your preferred delimiter, comma, semicolon, or vertical bar. Open your contact list file using Excel and click on this File I tab, number 1 in the image. Click Save As, and select the desired separator, e.g., comma, number 2, in the image. Click Save to finalize the process, number 3 in the image. Importing the CSV file. After successfully saving your contacts file, log into your System.io account. To import the contacts, go to the eContacts section and click the Import Contacts button. Click the Choose CSV File with Contacts button and specify the delimiter used in your CSV file. Adding tags to imported contacts, optional. Select the tag you wish to assign to the imported contacts. Selecting column data. Click Choose Data and pick the necessary column types such as email, first name, and any other relevant columns from your file. Finally, click Import to begin the import process. Exporting an email list. Navigate to the Contacts tab and click Contacts to display the contact list. Select the contacts you want to export, number 4 in the image, then click on More Actions, number 5 in the image. From the list of actions, click Export, number 6 in the image. After clicking Export, a CSV file containing your selected contacts will be generated and sent to the email address associated with your System.io account. Get started now and create your free System.io account. We do provide onboarding help if you join System.io with our affiliate link. http://tenural.com/review System.io